Yo, what's up? If you got a convertible E46 and you hear water splashing around in the back of it and splashing into your trunk and everything's getting wet, I'm going to tell you why it's there and how to fix it. So the roof is designed so that if any water gets into it, it is to drain into the back, into the roof storage area. Back here. So whenever you hear water splashing around in your car, that's where it's at. And when you hit the gas pedal, if it's full, it splashes into your trunk. Once it's there, it's supposed to drain out under your car. If your lines are clogged, it won't drain out. And the reason the lines get clogged, if you look right here on this car, this part's messed up. I got the part to replace it. I just haven't done it yet. But there's a plastic liner inside of here. And as this is old, some of the plastic liner goes down there and clogs up the drain holes. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first thing you need to do is put the roof halfway down, and I'm going to do it on this car. This car never actually goes in the rain. This is my daily driver, and neither car's having an issue right now, so just call this preventive maintenance. So I'm going to put the roof halfway down, and I'm going to prop open the lid. Let me do that real quick. So I got my roof propped open now. With that open, back here, this is where the water drains into. And if it gets too full, it'll pour into your trunk right there. It's supposed to drain out at the low points underneath where your top bolts down. Some people say take some pipe cleaners and feel around and you should be able to find the holes, the drain holes, and poke them clean. Good luck with that. That is not the good way to do this. Let me show you the easy way. The easy way to do this is with drain cleaner. Get you some drain cleaner and pour it in the back. Pour a little drain cleaner on each side. And wait. Go to the other side and pour a little. Now that you got drain cleaner down there, just wait a little bit. Let it do its job. Just so you see, before I do anything else, drain cleaner is already pouring right out right there. It's cleaning out the drain tube, which mine weren't really clogged. Preventive maintenance. This side of the car isn't actually draining, so maybe it's a good thing I'm doing this. Drain cleaner's still sitting there. Let's give it a moment. Now that the drain cleaner had time to do its thing, I'm going to flush it out with the water hose. Just squirt a little water in there and let it run through. That's draining right out. Took a little longer on this side, but it's draining out now. So once it drains down, I'm going to clean that out, flush it with more water. It took a second, but this side's draining real good now. I got the water hose just flowing back there, cleaning everything out. And now both sides are clean. That's how you keep your drains clean if I'm filling up with water on E46s. I'm out.